What's up, man? What's going on with you, man? All right, just chilling, man. Yeah, let me get that usual, man.
All right.
All right.
Not a problem.
Good looking out. Good looking out.
All right.
It's on you today?
Yeah.
All right. All right, yeah, let's go do it then.
I'm not about to do this interview with Mac Loco right here. Yo, what's up? This is Bishop Deville. We're Under the Underground and Valley Bay Entertainment. I promised y'all I was gonna have the motherfucking Black Mac, the locomotive, up in this motherfucker VIP.
What's up,
man?
Yeah, try me a song. Straight about the center with the sack and the bro. Look, homie, get off of the phone. Get to what we got so I can get to them gone. Got to keep it moving, I real with the spit. Everybody feel it with them confidence. Still cold too, making it happen. Lay back up in the gut with the flip of the jacket. Still cracking. Homie like one in your face, feel the bass all off in your butt. Still
Your boy Black Mac, man. You know what I'm saying? About here representing that 559 car, you feel me? We gonna make a move, let them know that we still out here and we still doing shit, you know what I'm talking about? CBC for life, man.
Hey, Mac, I posted a couple videos of you, and I'm telling you, I got a lot of females wanting to know how to get a hold of you, and this and that. Does he have a girlfriend? You know what I'm saying? Does he have a wife? What's his story? You know, how tall is he?
As of today, I'm single. So, you know what I mean? We can keep it moving. You know, but me, I don't, you know, if the young lady cool, it's cool, and we can make a move, and it's, you know what I'm saying? But I don't look for that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? I kind of just let it go. If it happened, it happened, you know what I'm saying?
still on point. Never been a sucker, always keep it real when I go. From the front, all the way to your backside. Put this in your CD player and let the beat ride. It's the vibe. And it's your boy Mac on the track. Take the game and bring it right back. Take the game home and bring it right back. So just wait a minute as I flip this track. In fact, I go get these stats. My enemies necessary, get these racks. Go for mine. Keep it on brother from the 559. What you smoking on? No Mississippi green pie. Never been a sucker, you heard I touch
Hey, see, that's love. Hey, that's how much love he got. See, I've been knowing Mac for a while, and he's always been cool with me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I had some people doubting me saying I didn't know Mac Loco. What's up? You know what I'm saying?
Man, this my homeboy. Me and this man go back from, you know, one of the first dudes I started fucking when I first started rapping in 2000.
Hey, we know that fatty smoking.
All that, you know, all we do is blow that good old tree, man.
Yeah. Hey, this is Tulare, motherfucking California. Mac puts it down for he puts it down at Hanford, Lemoore, motherfucking everywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Everywhere. You know what I'm saying? We do it for the 559 car. You hear me?
Yeah.
Brando, Bakersfield, you know, that's not the 9, but I still fuck with them too. You feel me?
Yeah, and for all y'all ladies out there, he's about this tall. So look at me.
Some of these people that popping pills keep it real. I'm in the bucket to get this real, I'm for real. I'm in the business of getting bread off the head. Watching for sucker with the infrared and that's the feds. They trying to stop progress, but I just keep it moving, homie. In my projects, you might be bronzeless. I'm a convict, stop the nonsense. You're going against the unknown. All you was doing, give a local something to punch on. I'm a full-grown bit, mixed with the rock on the strip. Causing fits, counterfeits, broke off quick. In the worst way, Hennessy and coke, cause I'm thirsty. I'm in first place, the drink got me birthday. Watch for the suckers, cause them dudes try to jerk me. Streets is murky. Stop all that hating, it's enough to go around. So holla at a player, take the game home.
You know what I'm saying? Black Mac, the locomotive, Under the Underground, Valley Bay Entertainment, and Murder My Music.
Murder My Music, baby.
I know, I recognize, you know.
Got something different for us. We're gonna bring a whole new game, a whole new thing to the game. You feel me? Get that to the way. 559 locomotive, man. Black Mac.
And just because he keeps it real, next, we're just like on his set, we're gonna have KD for y'all next.
Yeah. All right, man. Peace.
Bring it right back. So just wait a minute as I flip this track. In fact, I go get these stacks. My enemies necessary, get these racks. Go for mine. Keep it on brother from the 559. What you smoking on? No Mississippi green pie. Never been a sucker, you heard I touch mine. I'm a beast in the West, from the streets where they summon the sucker beating they chest. Side shows, wide hoes, on me lobbing them things. hydro, pine cone, and it's all of the same. Crack open the trunk, homie, let the system bang. Making it rain in the summertime and I'm still gon' swing. So I strike to the night. Sometimes it ain't good to drive, so I ride the bike, take flight. Got to do it, situation called for it. When I'm over the fluid, it's your boy Black Mac in a hatchback. First word 5 black, still in the circle spitting tight rap. And it ain't gon' stop, still with the homies on the under bleeding the block. Shaking the cops, don't get caught up, dude. Stay out the